You ever seen a drill instructor get put in their place by a recruit? Yeah, once. And I still can't believe how fast it all went down. Late 90s, I was escorting a group of fresh recruits to get their heads shaved. We were still in the reception phase, hundreds of new arrivals milling around outside the barbershop. One of the newer drill sergeants was out there too, doing his best impression of a Hollywood DI, screaming, pacing, chest puffed out, just looking to prove something. He starts tearing into a group of recruits, getting a little too aggressive for day one. Then he makes a mistake. He yells, "Anybody here think they can take me?" And some kid, cool as can be, says, "Yes, drill sergeant." Everything froze. Then the drill exploded, gets right up in this kid's face, screaming hard enough to blow dust off his cover. Two other drills start heading over to keep things from going sideways. I get my group inside for haircuts. 10 minutes later, I come back out, and chaos. That same drill is being physically carried away by two other instructors. The recruit being held back too, but standing, calm, not a scratch. Turns out that kid was a black belt, multiple disciplines, competitive level martial arts. Drill must have grabbed him or got too close, and things escalated. The recruit didn't get punished. Word was, command reviewed the incident and said the drill crossed the line. Drill got pulled from the line for a while and sent for additional training.